Good morning students, welcome to IP class. So today we are going to discuss about the order by clause. You can use the order by clause in select command. So the order by clause is used to display data in an ordered or arranged form with respect to the specified column of the table, or you can say it is used to display table data after sorting on the basis of specific column either in ascending order or in descending order. So it becomes very easy to get the particular data from the table when the data is in ascending or in descending order. By default, order by displays the records in ascending order if you are not specifying ASC or DESC. So ascending order is the default value. To display the records in descending order, the DESC means descending order keyword needs to be written with that column. We can arrange the records on the basis of two or more columns. First of all, single column, second one is the double column. Because the third column or fourth column is not in your syllabus, so we will discuss with single column or double column. In single column, it arranges the data on the basis of one column. The general syntax, that is select asterisk or columns. You can include all columns by asterisk symbol, or you can include some specific columns, 2-3 columns from the table by specifying the column name from the table. Now you write order by first column name, then this is the place to write the order for ASC or DSC, and you know ASC is the default order. For descending you need to specify, then it is compulsory to write DESC. ASC is not necessary. For example, the employee table contains the following data. So in this example, first column, employee number, employee name, salary, then bonus, then department ID. So these are the fields name having few data. Now with the first query to display details of all employees in descending order of their salaries. So in the query you need to focus on two things. First, what is the order and what is the basis, means the column. So here salary is the column and ascending is the order. Now you write the query, select asterisk means all columns from employee is the table name, order by salary. So here you are not specifying the order, that is ASC, which is the default order. Or if you are writing, if you want to write ASC, you can write this way. So in both cases you will get the same output. You can observe in the output order by salary, or in another output select asterisk from employee, order by salary, ASC. So these are the records arranged on the basis of this salary column. So the first record will be the lowest salary, and in the last record will be the highest salary. So this is the criteria to arrange the records. You can get according to the descending order with another example. Query to display details of all employees in descending order of their salaries. Select asterisk from employee, order by salary, DESC. In case of descending, DESC is compulsory and the column name is salary. So the query is select asterisk from employee, order by salary, DESC. So in case of descending salary, the maximum salary, records having maximum salary will be displayed at first, and the record having the lowest salary will be displayed at last, will be the last record in the output. So it is arranged on the basis of salary. This is in descending order. Now double column query. So in the order by, you can use two columns. It is used to sort or arrange on the basis of two columns. The second column and its order, that is ASC or DESC, is used only when the first column fails or unable to arrange the records of the table. It is applicable only for the records where first column gets the similar data. The general syntax: order by first column, then ASC DSC, comma. Here comma is used. Now the second column, ASC DSC, semicolon. Don't repeat order by for the second column. For example, query to display details of all the employees in ascending order of their department ID. That is, so in the query, department ID is written, but in the table it is DEPT ID, and for the descending order on the basis of their salary. So the query is select asterisk. You are familiar with the term asterisk. It is the shortcut for all the columns. From employee, which is the table name, order by first column. First column is also called primary column, or second column is also called the secondary column. So primary column works along with the secondary column, but the secondary column is used or applicable only when the primary column becomes fail or unable to distinguish the records. So observe the output. So here the primary column is department ID, and secondary column, the second column, is the salary. So on the basis of department ID, it arranges the records in ascending order. So in the first group, where department ID is the same, all three records in the first group, all three records are having the same department ID. So the first three records will be arranged on the basis of secondary, where salary is in descending order. So the 60,000 is placed at top, then 45, then 15,000. So in the second group, that is according to the department ID. So only two records are here. So now in these two records, which record will appear first? So to decide this, secondary column is used. If there is no conflict, no confusion in the department ID, that is the first column or the primary column, not the primary key column, mind you students, this is not the primary key column, the primary column and secondary column of the order by clause. Now then in that case, secondary column is used. For example, D03, there is no repetition in this record, so salary, the secondary column, is not used. So primary, it means first column is more than sufficient to decide its place. Now another query. So query to display details of all employees in ascending order of their department ID, and descending order on the basis of their employee number. Now the query: select asterisk from employee order by department ID ASC, comma, employee number DESC. So this type of output you will get. So further you can use any other columns, like primary column may be salary, or secondary may be e-name, primary may be employee number, or primary may be department ID, etc. So thank you students. So do the assignments now.